that ever since National Health, we are inaugurating this workshop in the office with a discussion చేస్తున్నారు. సచివాలయం వస్తుంది, దాని కింద సెక్రటేరియట్ వస్తుంది. సో వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ నుంచి చాలా మాడ్యూల్ వాళ్ళు కూడా ఇస్తుంటారు. మనం కూడా పిఐపి తయారు చేస్తాము. We try to provide the services. But ever since pandemic has started, మన రాష్ట్రంలో కూడా మన జిల్లాలో కూడా మెయిన్ ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ కొంత డైల్యూట్ చేసుకుంటూ వీఆర్ ట్రైంగ్ టు మేనేజ్ pandemic. We try to spend more time and energy in managing pandemic. ఇందులో ఆశా స్థాయి నుంచి ఈ హాస్పిటల్లో ఉన్న each and everyone is participating in that. I am thankful to everyone that all of you have worked with a commitment and zeal. So అదే కంటిన్యూ చేస్తూ ఉండాలి. We should work with the same commitment. But PSC, so maybe that geographically, territorially, it not be contiguous. Your ability to work in a team. Medical health merit team unnaru, but suppose we constitute a team at constituency level, mandal level, there will be many other people. They are able to communicate. You should be able to tell them, these are the issues, this is the way it is to be done, this is the SOP, and you can take help of volunteers, secretariat employees and everyone to take it forward. So just to again reiterate whatever I have discussed so far, one is your role to mitigate occurrence of third wave, participate in a team, follow the GO, enforce the regulations, regulate COVID appropriate behaviors. And though other departments are working, you have to support them, you have to strengthen the team, you have to technically, you have to explain COVID appropriate behaviors, and ANMs and ASHA workers have to play critical role. Second is, if there is a third wave, try to identify hotspots, keep testing, targeted testing, only RT-PCR and only symptomatic cases as per the target, try to do, identify and follow the protocol of isolation and then treatment, contact tracing, so that we cannot allow that to spread. Then hospital management, me hospital konni, CSC style konni, area hospital, then district hospital, infrastructure improvement jarata undi. Private hospitals everywhere in the district, they have been given the mandate to do it. Vallu kuda chestunnaru. So you should be aware, if there is a spike, there is a huge number of cases, ekkada tiskelali, how to handle them, you should have that clarity.